permanent hair straightening in 30 minutes with all natural ingredients. If your hair is soft, smooth, shiny and straight, you can look good always no matter what face type, shape you have. Also, it is easy to style straight and silky hair. Straight, silky hair flow freely. If you do not have straight hair, it will probably be your utmost desire to make straight hair somehow. For this, many of you get chemical-based hair treatments to get rid of your curly and wavy hair. In this video, I am going to share with you the recipe to make a very effective hair mask at home by making use of natural ingredients from your kitchen for permanent hair straightening. Make and use this hair mask to get rid of curly and damaged hair. To make a natural hair conditioning mask at home to make your hair naturally and permanently straight, the ingredients you need are: Ingredients: yogurt, 1 cup; aloe vera gel, 3 tbsp; hair oil, 2 tbsp. Procedure: take 1 cup of yogurt in a bowl. In it, add 3 tbsp of aloe vera gel. Next, add 2 tbsp of any hair oil. After this, mix all of these ingredients well, and make a smooth mixture. Now, the best hair mask for permanent hair straightening is ready for use. How to use: comb your hair, and then apply the mask to your hair. After this, take a wide-toothed comb, and comb your hair. Leave it for 30 minutes and then wash your hair with normal water and shampoo. Use this once in a week. You may also use it twice weekly if you have severely damaged hair. This DIY hair mask is natural, and the ingredients in it help to nourish and moisturize your hair deeply. As a result of it, the mask aids in treating your dull and damaged hair fast. So, if you need the best solution for your frizzy, curly and damaged hair, make and use this hair mask for permanent hair straightening and have beautiful hair.